This meeting is being recorded.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. So yesterday we saw US market also. Yesterday US market also saw positive movement, and we saw market moving up, uh, driven by dollar index coming off yesterday over there. Apart from that, the market is also looking at the inflation figure, which is expected to come tomorrow in US market, and that is expected to show some movement in positive. That is likely to show positive movement. That is the month-on-month inflation expected to increase by around 0.6% versus last month it was 0.2%, and year on year it is expected at 3.6% versus last month 3.2%. So inflation, as expected, is showing some positive trend in the US, and which can have some uh, impact on the expectation of interest rate increase in November month. September market is still expecting no hike, but now the expectation for the interest rate for November month is increasing. Now it is somewhere at around 40% chances of increasing interest rate as per Fed Watch. So that is need to be seen going forward. And also India today also has a CPI number, which is expected at 7.10% versus last month 7.44. Last month we saw increase in CPI mainly on account of food price increase of various commodity, and that now is cooling off. And as such, inflation is also expected to come off from that level. So today morning, Asian market are more of a mixed trend, showing mixed trend, and but commodities are showing a positive trend in most of the commodities. Oil is at around $91, and most of the metals are showing positive trend. So we had seen market reaching to new high yesterday, and we can expect the trend can continue in the today's trade as well. Now, I request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap up opening, and we're likely to witness some positive momentum during the day. Yesterday, Nifty has surpasses 20,000 levels, somehow manages to maintain a closing nearby that level, which is a very positive indication on the technical front. Going ahead, 20,200 will be the first resistance level. Any move above that level, we expect a positive momentum to be carried forward towards to 20,000, 300 to 370 levels on the higher sides. Whereas on the low side, the support is placed at 19,900 will be the first support level. Below that level, 19,820 and 19,770 are the crucial support level. The view will remain a positive as long as Nifty sustains above 19,800 levels on the low side. Coming towards the bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, 45,850, 46,000 are the resistance level we need to keep eye on it. Whereas the support is placed at around 45,460 and 45,230 levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 20,400, 20,450 are the two resistance level, whereas the support is placed at 20,270 and 20,180 levels. The view will remain positive on three indices. One should remain a long if they're having any long positions, but maintain each and every transactions with the strict stop losses. Coming towards the stock specific, as of now, green panel really looks very good. Which is a short mid stock counter trading at 390 levels, given a breakout of a flag pattern on the daily chart, and we believe it has a strong potential to reach up to 415 to 420 levels on the high side. Currently, the stock is trading at 390. One can take a long position at the current market price as well. Maintain the strict stop loss of 380 for a target of 415. That's it from my end. I request Derivative team to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing that the Nifty has shown some good rally in past 1 week, and we expect the buying trend and the momentum to be continued in the market. Well, as for the oil position, we are seeing that in yesterday's session, almost around 19,800 to 20,000 striker put got added up heavily against it. That you are seeing that the call writers are getting liquidated. So with the support of 20,000 mark on the future front, and on the weekly basis, support will come at 19,900 level. Once the Nifty goes below 19,900 level, then only we might witness some profit booking in the market. But as per the current scenario, as per the OI positions which are getting created on the upper end, is towards the 20,300 to 20,500 strikers. So first resistance for the Nifty would be 20,300 level, which we expect a market to come near in next 1 to 2 trading sessions. So market trend seems to be positive. While PCROI yesterday closed at 1.33 level, we are seeing that the market is has shown almost around 7 to 800 points of momentum in past 3 to 4 days. Then too, we are seeing that the PCR is maintained in the range of 1.20 to 1.50. So this is a positive sign. So we expect there is more space in the PCR on the upper end towards 1.60 to 1.65 level, due to which we might expect around over 200 to 250 points Nifty on the upside level. So hold your long position with the support of 19,900 level. While on the stock specific front, we are seeing and the sector specific front, Bank Nifty has shown some major breakout in yesterday trading session. Against that, we are seeing that private banks has also given a participation. From that, we expect Axis Bank to show some positive strength, as Axis Bank has yesterday shown a major breakout with the good OI positions getting added near ATM strike, and we also recommended the call option of Axis Bank. So one can create a long positions on Axis Bank, Biocon, and Tata Steel. This still count looks positive in coming trading session. That's it from the direct front. Thank you.
Good morning. RBI has approved the reappointment of Mr. Sandeep Bakshi as MD and CEO of ICICI Bank with effect from October 23 to October 26. So this will be sentimentally positive. Ujjivan Financial Services, there is news that NCLT has approved a reverse merger and has also directed the company to convene a shareholders meeting to approve this merger. Meeting will be held on 3rd November. So this will be positive. Power Grid Corporation has won a bid for 20 gigawatt interstate transmission project in Rajasthan on a BOOT basis. So this is positive for Power Grid. Thank you.
Good morning. TVS Supply Chain has posted its result after the listing, and the company has posted decline set of numbers for the quarter, with the revenue coming in at 2342 crores, a dip of 1.6% QOQ and 12.4% year-on-year. EBITDA margin came in at 7% versus QOQ of 7.1%, and at PAT level, the loss increased to 42 crores versus QOQ of 1.4 crore. Thank you.
Good morning. EMS Limited IPO is going to list today, and we have recommended subscribe rating to this IPO. The stock is expected to list at a healthy premium of over 60% from the price of rupees 211 per equity share. EMS Limited intends to leverage its presence in sewage solutions, water supply, and waste treatment plant segment. It has robust industry-leading order book to sales ratio of 3.4 times. This actually provides that the visibility of the growth of the company in the coming years. And we also believe that since EMS has delivered higher growth at 50% CAGR in last 2 years, and with its efficient utilization of capital has resulted in lower debt, high EBITDA margin at 27.7%, and strong ROCE of 28.2%. We believe that it has high growth and return ratios as compared to peers, and it is also available at cheaper valuation. As the peers are trading at average PE of 16.7 times of FY23 earnings, while EMS is available at 10.8 times. Thank you.
Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we are expecting commodities to rise, and in gold, one can initiate a buy around 58,900 and maintain a stop loss of 58,700. On upside, we are looking for 59,200 to 350 levels. So buying is recommended. In silver also looks attractive. One can buy at 72,000, and upside we are looking for 73,000, 73,500. So buying with a stop loss of 71,400 is recommended. Crude oil prices, we have witnessed a range bound movement from 7150 to 7300. It could consolidate within this range, or one can trade within this range or wait for a breakout. In natural gas, prices are looking to test 225 to 30 levels. So buying around 215 is recommended and maintain a stop loss of 208. Yesterday, we had witnessed copper rallying, and this might continue till 738, 740 levels. So buying around 730 is recommended and maintaining a stop loss of 725. Zinc prices are also looking attractive, and it can rally further till 225, 227. So buying at 222 and maintaining a stop loss of 220. Aluminum also looks positive. Prices are likely to test 204 levels. So maintain a stop loss below 199.50. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you. Very good morning, all. Some corporate books from the higher. So one can only say the short
We cannot hear you, Utkarsh.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, we can.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD/INR, we are expecting some profit booking from the higher levels. So one can initiate a short positions in the range of 83.08 to 83.15 levels. You can initiate a short position with a stop loss of 83.23 levels for the target of 83 and 82.94 levels. And on the lower end, one can initiate a long positions also in the range of 82.90 to 82.88 levels with a strict stop loss of 82.83 levels for the target of 83.03 and 83.07 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 89.26 to 89.16 levels with a stop loss of 89 for the target of 89.39 and 89.50 levels. In JPY INR, in GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions if prices sustain above 104 levels. So one can initiate a long positions with the stop loss of 103.77 for the target of 104.17 and 104.28 levels. Thank you.